Hey guys, it's Nicole, and for this week's nail art look, I decided to do some sort of mixed watermelon nails, little mix and match kind of thing with gel polish, and it's all freehand. So I started off with Gillet's Rose Among Thorns, and I applied that to my pinky and my pointer finger as well as my thumb. And then I'm also taking Gillet's In the Limelight, which I applied to my middle fingers after removing the tacky layer from my pink nails. I just did that so the glitter won't stick to it later on. And I used the green on the outer edges of my middle two nails on top of a white base in order to create kind of a rind shape. And I applied white and used that to push the green down to the base to make it more circular. And then I took a detail brush, which I used to kind of blend the two colors together and make it a nice smooth gradient. And then once that was cured, I took the pink color and I applied 2 coats, making sure to leave a little bit of a white border around the edges so it looks like little watermelon rinds. And then once that was cured, I'm taking Finger Paint's black canvas and I use that to make the little seeds. So they're pretty basic, just little teardrop shapes, just kind of randomly over the pink color. And then once I was done and happy with those, I cured them and then removed the tacky layer. And then I took Le Chat Flashback, which I used as a French tip color for the pink nails, and I'm applying an iridescent glitter of this, so you want it fairly opaque, or else you'll be able to see the pink underneath it. So I went ahead and cured that, and then I'm taking some glitter, it's just from Michaels, and I'm using the green shade. So I picked some up with a little brush and applied that directly over the tacky layer, and this is why you had to cleanse the pink so that the glitter didn't stick to any of the pink portion and it just stuck to the green. And then I dusted off the excess and I'm using Tammy Taylor Flawless Finish Top Coat. I applied a nice layer of this to keep the glitter secure. And then I'm using Finger Paint's Paint Me Oh So Modern, which is just kind of a mint color, and I applied a couple wavy lines to the green glitter part just to make it look more like a watermelon rind. And then I used a white polish to outline the little French tip. And then finally I did some seeds as well, but just in a little curved shape and just on the very top portion as opposed to the middle fingers. And then once that was cured, I removed the tacky layer so the black didn't smear into the top coat, and then I just went ahead and top coated all of my nails. Then once I removed the final tacky layer with some rubbing alcohol, that's it for this week's nail art look. These are super cute and fun, so you can do one or do both looks, whatever you want to do. I will leave product links in the description down below, and thanks for watching. Bye!